Hey guys, it's Shane. How you doing? Welcome back down to the workshop. I hope everybody's having a good day. Today I'm going to do a small video on weapon and armour maintenance. It's pointless me doing all these nice videos for you on how to build these things and then you not take care of them. So we're going to do a quick little thing on that, on basic lubrication of weapons and armour. It's exactly the same. If it's your first time here, please hit that subscribe button and the bell. You'll be alerted when I go live with new stuff, and you can check out all my other social media stuff in the links below. And if you want to personally try and help me out and the channel out, then head over to Patreon and check it out there. Okay, so let's jump straight into it, shall we? Okay, so we've got a couple of bits here that I want to do. Now the first thing we're going to do is the silicone spray. That's what we use to lubricate everything. So anything that's covered in latex will eventually dry out. Okay, and the amount of times you're beating on it and using it all the time, boom, 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 it will wear out. The sunlight will try and dry it out as well. So as a rule of thumb, every time you've used it, give it a quick spray with silicone spray. Weapons and armour, and if you go to many big Larp events and that sort of thing, most systems will check them anyway, or should check the weapons. If they're too dry and cracking, they'll probably turn you down. So it's in your best interest to keep these nice and supple, keep the latex supple and such. Okay, now the silicone, you have to be careful what silicone you can use. You can use a cheap one off the line, that's not a problem. But you've got to make sure it's 100% silicone and there's no acids or anything like that in. Obviously you should be in a ventilated area. I'm going to do that one last because I want to show you something. Now these are my actual swords, short swords that I use. These have been through the wars quite a few times, and as you can see, there is no damage. Okay, that's because I keep a little bit of silicone. So just give it a quick blast. Anywhere there's latex, alright, and then just give it a quick rub in. Now if you're storing these weapons for a long time, then just every now and again give them a blast. Now don't do what I did and use your hand because you get silicone all over it. Alright, just give it a quick wipe. Don't want to take it all off, just give it a quick wipe. Same with that one. Okay, you just want to rub it all in to make sure it stays nice and supple, and it's as easy as that. Now the reason I've got this other sword up here is this head is a resin polyurethane mixture. This doesn't age the same as this, so you don't really need to do these, okay, but it's in your interest just to give it a quick blast. Now this is a weapon I did just recently, so it's already had a couple of coats of this, but that just keeps that nice and smooth. Okay, so that's weapons, nice and simple. Now what about armor? Armor is exactly the same. Okay, so I've got a couple of helmets here. As you can see, it's got a bit of dust on it. Alright, because I haven't had this has been on my storage shelf for a while. Now this was a night helm I did. Now the template you can get off Evil Ted, I just added the wings, the trims and the basic things. Okay, no different, just give it a quick blast and rub it in, and that will keep that nice and supple and protected. So that's one. This one has a visor in it. This is my Mandalorian helmet that I Damascus steel patterned on it. Okay, so no different, just keep it off the visor. That's all you need to do. Okay, and give it a good. Now, although this helmet is a cosplay helmet, it can be used for Larp. it is Larp safe, but most systems won't allow you to use a foam helmet as a Larp. But this one, that's the beauty of a Larp safe helmet. Okay, so armour and weapons done. That's it. Just every now and again take them off your shelf, give them a quick blast with 100% silicone spray, job done. So there we go, one helmet all done nicely, and then 100% silicone spray. Brilliant. Okay, and that'll keep that nice and supple. Same with the weapons, just a quick blast with silicone, done, job done. Keeps them nice and supple and they'll last for years. Okay guys, so look after your trusty weapons and they'll look after you. This one is only a short video today. A few people have been asking about certain things, that's all. But if you do have questions and you have ideas that you want me to try and build on stream for you, then hit comments below and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. For those who can, try and catch me up on Twitch. I mainly stream Wednesday to Friday, sometimes Saturday afternoons. They're live, and you know, we chat, talk, ask questions, and we just have a good laugh when we're there. But if you want to help me out personally and you want to help the stream out and the channel out, should I say, please head over to Patreon. I'll put a link on the screen for you, and please, it helps me out. Cheers guys. Hit that subscribe button as well. See you on the next one guys. Bye bye.